Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make zombie omurice. I know some of you don't like to use a lot of ketchup making omurice, so I decided to use pomodoro-sauce and it turned out really good. And obviously this zombie idea is for Halloween, but this omurice idea is for any time. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Beat 2 eggs, 1 serving each in a bowl. Make nails on the sausages. Cook 10 sausage fingers. Instead of ketchup, I'm going to use pomodoro-sauce. Heat the sauce in the frying pan. Add cooked rice. I'm using smoked chicken, ham is okay. Mix well. Season with salt and pepper. Heat cooking oil in another frying pan. Spread the egg mixture and make a round sheet of egg. Before the egg is fully cooked, place the seasoned rice. Fold up both sides of the egg. Shape it using the edge of the pan. Then carefully flip it over onto a plate. You can use a paper towel to help shape it. Make holes in omurice and place the sausage fingers. Decorate with tomato ketchup. Garnish with cooked broccoli if you like. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. お茶飲みたい？うん。いいよ、飲んで。じゃあ飲んで。あったかいお茶。そーっと飲む。ね。いただきます。食べてもいい？じゃあ待ってから食べようかな。ハロウィン出てくる。全部飲んだよ、お茶。こぼれた。うん。ペラペちゃんのペラペ。上手に味付けしたじゃない。上手だね。塩加減がちょうどよかったよ。かく。ぜひ作ってください。バイバイ。チャンネル登録お願いします。ケチャップと押してバイバイ。